Okay, so if you saw the quite extensive repairs to this previously scrap set, we had to put some missing parts back which had been robbed out of it, and it's a very early serial number, 600 and something. We don't normally see them anything like, so you're looking at the first couple of days of production. They'd do a prototype where they'd probably make 3, they'd then probably run it to 25, they'd probably then run it up to 100, they'd probably run it up to 1,000. It is within that. So it's a point at which they're still working component values out for the final version. And you'll notice the transmitted audio is nothing like as crisp as what we're used to on the Amstrad 900. Now this isn't faulty, and all the capacitors have been changed as a precaution. So there we go, it is totally different and it works fine. It's doing a full 4-watt output, and here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
We'll plug our extension speaker in. Oh, it's already in. I'll unplug it so you can actually hear the radio.
That's in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, I wasn't actually recording, I'll press recording now, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place and doggy daycare, which I doubt is in use because it's very wet.
And very dark.
Well, I didn't stop people yesterday.
No, it didn't, did they? And the smoke inhalation from a burning refuse place.
Yeah, roger that. I wonder if the road's still closed.
It certainly was when I went to church at 6.
Roger that. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
We're at the end of the lane.
Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, not surprised.
Are you on low power? Because you're very noisy.
Oh yeah, I am. There we are, back on full power.
You still seem noisy.
Oh, it shouldn't be nice for us output.
Something's not quite right though. I'll find out when I get to Wilsford. Anyway, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads. I'm not blind.
Where are you going to Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger, you're definitely noisy. You sound like I'm already at Wilsford Scratchy Corner.
I'll just clean the aerial socket.
Yeah, roger that. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Okay, back with you now.
Yep, roger that. Now the other side of the hill, so that sounds about right.
Roger on that.
now at the 5 mile point. Over.
You never are. I think you're going around Scratchy Corner and I'm on Amstrad. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. Over.
You never are. I think you're going round Scratchy Corner and I'm on an Amstrad
CB901. Very early serial number from 1981. And it's doing a 4.4 watt output over.
Yeah, that was. I was actually thinking about the 5 mile point, which is probably why I said it, but I realised as soon as I said it, but that was very daft. Anyway, you're loud and clear, no problems.
Yeah, that's standard replacement line.
Roger. Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Where do you go? You're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Right, you've got you at the Kelby turn. Is it noisy on the band tonight? Just this end.
No, I can't hear any noise. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Where have you got you at the Greyleys turn?
Roger.
Right from the beginning, very early serial number, and on standard replacement mic, the radio's doing a full 4 watt output. We're going to go to low power and see if I can find a little switch on the back. It's set to 400 milliwatts, which you don't get that on the newer ones. It's usually 170 milliwatts. So I don't know how they got that to work out, but here we go. 54321. We're now on low power. Radio's doing 550. It's doing 550 milliamps. Delivers 400 milliwatts. There we are back on full power over.
Yep, no problems on full power, a bit noisy on low power, but perfectly readable.
Roger, I'll stop you when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
147.9, 144.7.
Excellent, that's great, thanks very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over? Excellent, that's great, thanks very much. And 10-10. Right, that worked great. We've got some interference. I don't know whether it's something in the house, but normally we don't normally get two lights coming on. It doesn't seem to be channel dependent, so I think it must be something in the house. Anyway, we managed to communicate all right over that distance. So this is a very, very early set. I've not seen one as early as this, so it's fascinating to see one which is still evolving while they get the component values trimmed. So, yes, I think we've got a new set today to do tomorrow, so there we go.
Tango 21, testing the Amstrad CB901 into our Midland 106-900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now these don't suffer from hum, but then they go through the low power. There we are now on low power, just in case it was a hum it would diminish. And then we are back onto full power. So I think we've got a new set to optimise tomorrow. So thanks for watching a very early Amstrad CB901 genuine Japanese cybernet one from 1981.